Hi, good morning Goenkins. So I, Harshi Gupta, is back again with your computer class. So earlier we have studied about input devices, and today we will be studying with a new topic, that is CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. We all know that this is a CPU cabinet, and inside this is a CPU chip that consists of three main parts, that are MU, ALU and CU. MU stands for memory unit, ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit, and CU stands for control unit. So ALU performs the calculations and executes all the instructions. This means all the mathematical tasks are done with the help of ALU. All the calculation related work is done by ALU. CU. The CU controls all the operations of a computer system. It coordinates with the other devices to have a continuous flow of data instructions. That means all the operations of a computer system is handled by control unit. As its name suggests, it controls all the tasks of a computer system. Next is memory unit, that is MU. This unit stores the data and instructions temporarily or permanently. Likewise, in our body, our brain stores all the information. Similarly, memory unit stores all the information temporarily or permanently. As you can see, this is a MU unit, this is ALU unit, and this is CU unit. So now we all know that how does a computer works. It works on IPO cycle, that is input, process and output cycle, where we get input from the input devices, it processes with the help of MU, CU and ALU, and then it gives us the output in output devices. Now, like we humans understand different languages like English, Hindi, similarly a computer understands only one language, that is binary language. Now what is it? A computer understands only two states, that is on state and off state. A computer only understands two states, that is on state is equal to 1 and off state, that is equal to 0. These two numbers, that is 0 and 1, are called bits or binary digits. So these two numbers, digits, that is 0 and 1, are referred to as binary digits, which a computer only understands. A computer uses the binary system. Bi means 2. A computer only understands two states, that is on and off state, and here bi refers to those two states. To store the data in its memory, the data in computer is stored in the form of bits 0 and 1. So all the data in the computer is stored in the form of zeros and ones, and if you want to know the memory of the computer, it is measured in bytes. Every computer has a different amount of storage capacity. All the storage capacity can be measured in the form of bytes, and each computer has a different storage capacity. The number of bytes we have determines how much data we can store in computer. So the number of bytes determine what is the storage of a computer. Now we all know that a computer understands zeros and one state. So 8 bits combine to form 1 byte. So 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, and 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte KB is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte MB is equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1 gigabyte, that is GB, is equal to 1024 megabyte. 1 terabyte, that is TB, is equal to 1024 gigabyte. So this is the chart that we have studied. Now that's all for today. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.